Hi, my dear mains aspirant. Hope you are preparing for target September. And some of the candidates, those who are already written mains exam, they wonder about, even though I have written mains well, why I didn't score well. And there are aspirants, those who are going to write mains exam first time, they fear about how I'm going to present the content, what I prepared in during this time in the mains exam to get good score. So in this place, we are coming into the scene. I am Dr. Ravikumar, Geography faculty at UPSC Academy. We are planning to conduct a workshop on mains answer writing, especially for the candidate, those who are writing mains exam this year and those who are started to write practice on mains answers. In this workshop, we are going to cover what is the importance of mains answer writing in the entire mains preparation, and what are the expectations of UPSC Civil Service Mains Exam Evaluator. Based on the expectations, we can bring two important informations. One thing, what are the very basic things we have to keep in mind while writing mains answer? And second thing, what are the very important factors that decides a mark of each and every question? So based on that, we can crack each and every question and identify what are the very important core component of it and how we can present to impress the examiner. To identify the important structures and various structures based on the directional words, we give you the practice how to present your answers. And when we are practicing all this is very important thing, we have to deliver everything based on three important controls. Number one, the time limit and word limit, and third is the page limit. So we have all these three when you are presenting your answer to mains exam. So we are giving a workshop and the practice how to deliver a good content based on the UPSC expectations. And after that, we are going to deliver some of the important elements what are the can be added to outscore all other competitors and to make our answer the top of them. And we are giving some fine elements, what are the components which can be added with the subject specific like history, geography, polity, economy, and all other papers also. At the end, and we are going to give up the list of do's and don'ts to keep in mind during the mains exam. So we are expecting the candidate, those who are writing mains exam and those who are started preparing to write mains answers, to register this program and get into success. Thank you. We are waiting on Monday to meet you at 9 a.m. Thank you.